Hi everyone, it's me Lily, and I'm back with a November 2015 Skoshbox unboxing. Just please excuse my voice. It's kind of it's a little bit off because I think I'm getting sick again. I'm not too sure. And the fluctuation in weather is making me sick and it's hard to control it. And there might be some odd background noise. So yeah. Well, let's just get started. Okay. So these are the items that are included in this month's box. And again, this, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Takara Bako monthly treasures. So obviously I didn't win it because you would know you would win one of these prizes if you had a big box. And I received just their regular Dekabox, and so I wasn't one of the lucky individuals who won one of these prizes. Okay. I'm not sure why there is a card. I guess just a little bit of information. So I guess I got the matcha green tea marshmallows. So I've had this before where they're marshmallows and they have a filling inside. This just happens to be the green tea. Hopefully it's not bitter. Let's see, what is this? It's like D-O-U-T-O-R. Doutor. It looks like a coffee bean covered around with chocolate. Yeah, coffee beans, chocolate. But I don't know what that creamy stuff is. Maybe like milk. So in the Dekabox, you do get a non-edible item. And so this time it was a Nigiri sushi eraser. I think I got a tuna, right? Is it tuna that's red? Here we have matcha flavored chocolate. Okay, and they also included a mini clip, and I guess I got a radish or daikon. I got this snack. I believe I got this one already once before, either in Japan Crate or Tokyo Treat. And it is just a sweet and salty rice cracker with bits of seaweed on them. Here we have a classic Apollo chocolate, which is chocolate on the bottom and strawberry on the top. These are like the lot koala cookies. They have like this soft, crispy outer layer, and inside it has filling. Yeah, there we go. It shows it right there. But this one has the chocolate also on the outside. And I guess this has filling on the inside. It says almond cream choco biscuits. So hopefully it's not bitter chocolate. Okay. And finally we have I think they're like cookies or crackers. It is okay, so it says Kinako wafer cookies. And again, Kinako is soybean flavored. That's the best way I can describe it. It's like a soybean flavor. If anyone's had the Chorus Choco Kinako DIY candy kit, they would know what Kinako is. So this was the items that were included in my Skoshbox November 2015 Dekabox. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you can always leave them down below. And I'll always try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.